Hey guys, it's Ria, and today we will be unboxing and styling the wig and preparing this beautiful Link from Tears of the Kingdom cosplay from Cosfun. Thank you, Cosfun, for a photo shoot. As you can see, beautiful day, beautiful a bunch of people that are watching me.
So for this video, I'm again using the 2 videos method because I feel like just nobody has the attention span these days, including myself if I'm being honest. For this wig, when I took it out of the bag, I was actually pleasantly surprised. It was pretty full and it looked really good, so I'm just doing some very basic styling to get it ready. I'm starting with some light crimping, very light, not to leave too many marks, just to give it some extra fluff and volume. Then I'm going in with the hairspray just to lock everything into place, and oddly enough shaking it out extremely violently just to get that disheveled, just came from the battlefield sort of look I feel like he has going on. And especially in this version, as we can see from the reference, he has a bunch of random chunks of hair flying around all over the place, so I'm using my hair straightener and my hands to just kind of get that effect. For the front, I'm doing basically the exact same thing and just styling a few pieces of hair into points at the ends with my fingers just to get the kind of spikes he has in the front. And that's basically it for this wig, nothing too complex or advanced. As for the outfit itself, while I'm getting painted and ready for the photo shoot, it was very comfortable in my opinion. I think it is worth it for the price. The only issue I actually had with it was that it was kind of big on me. I feel like I followed the size chart, but maybe it's just the type of cosplay that you should size down on, especially with all the loose fabrics and the belt, which is actually adjustable. You can take some beads off, which is what I did, and basically just took it in a little bit so it can fit me better, but that was about it. And yeah, I think that's everything for this cosplay.
And that's about it. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.